Meghalaya College Teachers Association na MCTA kan pelong ya non cooperation movement daga Sangeh ban Hikai ya ki class first semester jong course undergraduate kelembu por ka sedang na do mentagasngi ban persya ya karai jong vice chancellor kan nehu u professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ban penbor ya ka jing pentrekam ya ke NEP hajar arpo ke MCTA ke la yang scam ba agabe day bat ke semester ke balai bat ke besan kino Hikai jong ke MCTA kin beteng ban ai ke jing Hikai jong ki General Secretary ke MCTA uba Airpeace W Rani ula ong ba Kim Persya ya ke jing pentrekam ya ke NEP hajar arpo Henry ke jing persya ke long halo ke rukom trekam bah kanu ke rukom on penyat ya ke ni ke policy akawai pat kaliang ka Sangeh College ke layat syakamat ban pelong kelas na ke benta ki first semester jong ke undergraduate program ba South Nem kat kum ke NEP kat ba ka Ladikin College bat ke Sinot College ke larai ban Sangeh Shipor ya ki kelas na ke benta ke first semester ke principal jong ke Sangeh College Dr. P. Eureka Lingdo ila ong ba ke la shim ya ke rai ban yat syakamat ban pelong ya ke kelas da ke ba shim khia na ke benta ke jing bah jong ki khana.
So therefore, since we are part of that academic council, we know what was going on in the meeting, and we also could foresee the kind of implications that NEP will have. Until and unless it is implemented through a due procedure, will not be able to accept this. If you read the NEP, the section 27 of the NEP, it has mentioned very clearly how to implement the policy. Because if you look at the policy, you will find that the state government is one of the key stakeholders in the implementation of this policy. So the state government cannot shy away.
We have, as an institution, we have prepared, and this preparation, in fact, had been done since just before the notification was sent to us. Because at that point of time, we were not sure whether NEP will be implemented or it will not be implemented. But for the benefit of the institution, we decided that we should always prepare ourselves so that if an order or a direction comes for the implementation, we should be ready for it.